call last week, I had a problem with Maps trying to take me to my old house when I would hit home. And, but
Yeah.
no one else had that problem. They said they didn't have any problems with Maps trying to take them to my old house. But, let's see, who wrote in with that? I'm looking for it now.
Greg.
It was Greg. Greg wrote in and said, hey, go to the Maps app and look in library at the top at home. Well, he said look in contacts. And I searched my old address in contacts. It was nowhere in there anywhere. So I didn't have a hidden contact that thought, hey, this is where you still live. But that was a good place to check. And then go to Maps and look in the list on the left sidebar. At the top, there's library. I clicked on home and I clicked info, and damned if it didn't have my old address in there. And once I changed that, I did that last night. And then on the way home from the airport last night, I clicked home on Apple Maps and it took me to the correct address. So thank you, Michael, for solving that. And oh, by the way, you can take any other pin and name it and move it up to the library. So you aren't just limited to home and work. You can name things and put them in your library for frequently used addresses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. How did you change the because I'm looking on my phone, I can, tap home in the library.
I did it in the Maps app on my Mac. I did not try it on the phone. And by the way, even then, it wasn't particularly obvious. It was kind of difficult. I renamed it from home to my new address. And then I was able to, once that new address populated in there, I renamed the address to home and it came up. So
I got you. Okay.
There may be a better way to do that. That's how I had to futz with it until it finally
No, I think
worked.
that's the trick. Yeah.